Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UK49 lunchtime and tea time 28 February 2023 34 42 2 number in lunchtime 34 42 05 22 42 and 49 4 number in tea time 42 22 05 and 49 22 05 49 3 number in tea time and 42 lunchtime and tea time also. Our next draw UK49 lunchtime and tea time also 1st March 2023. My prediction, my favorite number, algorithm favorite number 01 06 07 12 16 36 42 49 20 and 28. These numbers are algorithm favorite number. Thank you for watching video. Take care.